Hi folks, this is Warbird 1066 and I wanted to show you my review of the Starmax F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, which I recently added to my collection. This is the ARF version, so all you need is a battery, transmitter and your receiver and you're ready to go. It's a 64mm ducted fan running on a 20 amp ESC and a 700 mAh 3-cell LiPo battery, which I also use on a lot of my other planes. If you don't push it, it gives you about 5 minutes of flight time, which is pretty good I think, but you can always fit a bigger battery. But I have to warn you, the battery compartment is not that big, so you have to check out what kind of battery fits. The plane runs on an Elevon setup, which requires only 2 servos, and because of the fact that the Starmax version has no landing gear, it's even lighter than the Exceed RC version, which is pretty much the same plane. But this also caused a little problem. Because of the missing landing gear and the servo for the steerable nose gear, this plane was not properly balanced when it came out of the box. So check your CG guys if you don't want to risk a crash. Okay, the way you see the plane here on the video is not what it looked like when I got it. It's plain gray and you have to add the details yourself. So I did a little paint job, covered it from the Raptor, the sky camo color, which looks pretty good at home, but is maybe not such a good idea on the flying field. I'm sure most of you guys understand what I mean. I also put a gyro on it for the ailerons, and I know a lot of you guys think that gyros on airplanes are a little overkill, but I like it. To quote one of my favorite YouTube video providers, RC Powers, a gyro takes a good flying plane and makes it fly way better. It sounds a lot easier than it actually is, and that is because of the fact that you need an onboard delta or V mixer to do this. The problem is that not all mixers work with all gyros, but after a few tries and not to mention annoying the guys at my local hobby shop, I found a combination that works. The Turnigy TG380 and the Turnigy V-tail mixer actually work together. And just for the record, you don't really need a gyro on this plane. It's stable and very easy to fly, plus it has plenty of power, at least for a beginner. Enjoy the main flight, and don't expect any wild maneuvers. It's just a few slow turns and trying to get a feel for the plane, and check out the controls in flight. And sorry for the bad video quality, I have to use my small movie cam to do the video. Have fun at the flying field guys, Warbird 1066 out.